His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama laid the foundation stone for the new Chokhang Vihara in Leh today in a spiritual significant ceremony attended by the people from all the walks of life. The event was graced by the presence of His Eminence Thikse Rinpoche, His Eminence Bakula Rinpoche, His Eminence Yongzen Rinpoche and other venerable monks from all across the region. Honorable Chairman CEC LHDC Leh Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen along with the executive councillors and several dignitaries attended the ceremony. In a swift and coordinated operation executed under the direct guidance of the Ministry of Home Affairs, a road accident patient, namely Sonam Namgyal, was successfully airlifted from SNM Hospital Leh from Delhi aboard an Indian Force C-130 aircraft for the urgent medical treatment. Honorable Chairman CEC LHDC Leh Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen on behalf of the people of Ladakh has extended the heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah for his unwavering support and the personal concern for the welfare of the people of Ladakh. His intervention made this high priority medical evacuation possible in the record time. Honorable Chairman CEC LHDC Leh Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen held a meeting today with the President of ALHGHA, Rigzin Wangmo Lalchik, the General Secretary of ALTOA, and the Vice President of ALHGHA, Nawang Tashi. The representatives raised concerns regarding the IGB Berling initiative and requested the early intervention to facilitate ongoing tourism promotion efforts. They also conveyed their gratitude for his continued support and financial assistance toward the event. Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen was called on today by Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Ladakh, led by District Convener Dorje Namgyal along with the executive members of the organization. Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen extended his support to ABVP Ladakh. India pulled off an incredible 6-run victory over England in the seesawing fifth and final test here Monday to secure a creditable 2-2 draw in a blockbuster series and flowed over the weeks of slugfest between the two cricketing powerhouses. The tireless Mohammad Siraj 5/104 emerged as the team's biggest hero with one of his finest bowling efforts. He finished the series with 23 wickets and highest across the both teams.